Bitcoin mining has come a long way from its humble beginnings. According to JP Morgan, the combined market cap of the 14 US-listed Bitcoin mining companies reached an all-time high on June 15th at $22.8 billion. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the top Bitcoin mining stocks ranked by market cap and learn a bit about their companies. Now, of course, none of this is an endorsement. Keep in mind that these stocks are volatile and rankings may be different by the time you're watching this video. Many Bitcoin mining stocks have experienced a surge recently because of the news surrounding the convergence of AI and Bitcoin miners.
We're at the beginning of an AI boom.
What AI plus blockchain?
This unexpected coupling of the two sectors is because of AI's massive demand for energy and data centers and the potential for Bitcoin mining firms to satisfy both. Now, one of these firms is number 8 on our list, Hut 8. Hut has a market cap of $1.1 billion and a hash rate of 4.5 EH per second. According to Hut 8, they are an energy infrastructure operator and a Bitcoin mining operation with data centers spread across the USA. Hut 8 just secured $150 million from Code2, a tech investment firm with a portfolio of AI-related bets. This brought about a partnership between the two to build infrastructure to support the mushrooming industry. According to Code2, Hut 8 has extensive energy and computation infrastructure to meet the relentless demand for AI computing. Number 7 on the list is Wolf, with a $1.2 billion market cap. Terawulf claims that the 8 EH per second from its mining operation is powered by over 93% zero carbon energy. In July, the firm announced plans to expand its operational capacity this year from 210 MW to 295 MW to accommodate AI hosting. In fact, the pivot into AI is such a priority to the firm that they recently paid off a $77.5 million loan to maximize the company's financial flexibility for its upcoming expansion. This video is brought to you by Sonic Labs. They're proudly launching round 2 of their meme season meme coin competition with 750k FTM tokens up for grabs. The first round saw 500k worth of liquid staked FTM tokens awarded to thousands of winners. Round 2 just launched on July 22nd and runs till September 5th and will be based on a brand new scoring formula, rewards distribution, and eligibility criteria. For this round, 90% of the prize pool will go to the top 500 holders of each winning meme coin and 10% to the teams. On top of that, even providing liquidity for eligible meme coins will count you as a holder and a participant in the competition. To sweeten things even more, Rabby users will get free gas for their first 10 transactions on leading dexes like Beethoven X, Spooky Swap, WeGo Swap, and more. It's super simple to join. First, set up any Phantom-compatible wallet like Rabby or MetaMask. Visit the Meme Seasons leaderboard to see participating meme coins that are eligible for trading. Pick your favorite and potentially earn a prize for holding them or providing liquidity with them. For fellow traders and agents who are interested, apply now on their website. Full entry rules and further details from their blog posts will be linked in the description below. Next up on the list is Iren, which has a market cap of over $1.6 billion and a hash rate of 9.4 EH per second. Founded in 2019 by Bitcoin OGs Daniel and Will Roberts, Iren leverages their combined experience in renewable energy and traditional mining to build a Bitcoin mining operation that capitalizes on renewable and stranded energy. The company's data centers are now ready to host AI-related applications driven by the surging demand for AI computing power. Iren recently acquired 816 units of NVIDIA's H100 GPUs, the industry's most advanced AI hardware. Given the energy-intensive nature of AI, Iren's existing infrastructure and expertise in managing large-scale data centers puts the firm in a good spot to fill the hunger for computation power. And evidently, the demand for power and data centers from AI firms is voracious, going as far as approaching mining firms for acquisition deals. One of the targeted firms is Cipher, which has a market cap of 1.3 billion and is hashing out 7.7 EH per second. Just recently in July, Cipher Mining was seen considering a sale of the company after receiving acquisition deals from AI firms seeking energy and computation infrastructure. However, it's still too early to say whether Cipher would actually pursue that path of selling off its business to eager AI firms. Cipher is not the first and probably not the last mining company to be offered such a deal. Next, we have Core Scientific. CORZ has a 1.5 billion market cap and has the second highest hash rate at 20 EH per second. Core Scientific actually declared bankruptcy in December 2022 during the peak of the crypto bear market amid rising energy costs and losses from loans to Celsius. This subsequently led to the delisting of its company stock in April 2023. Core Scientific has since risen from the ashes in January 2024 after the announcement of its emergence from bankruptcy and restructuring. Fast forward to June, cloud computing provider CoreWeave approached Core Scientific for an acquisition valued at about 1 billion, which they promptly rejected. Within the same month, the mining firm has signed a 12-year contract to provide a total 270 MW of power and infrastructure to host CoreWeave's AI operations. At number 3, we have Riot with 2.6 billion in market cap and putting out about 13 EH per second. Riot made headlines in May when it attempted to acquire its rival, Bitfarms, offering 2.3 per share. This bid was promptly rejected. Undeterred, Riot shifted its strategy in June. As Bitfarms' largest shareholder with a 14.9% stake, Riot announced plans to overhaul Bitfarms' board of directors before pressing on the attack. Additionally, Riot acquired another rival, Block Mining, in July, adding 60 MW of energy capacity. This acquisition also secures potential access to an additional 50 MW through Block Mining's existing contracts. At number 2, CleanSpark, ticker CLSK, is valued at 3.1 billion in market cap. CleanSpark churns out about 17 EH per second on the Bitcoin network, powered almost entirely by clean energy. This makes CleanSpark the third largest mining firm after Core Scientific by hash rate. The company also invests in renewable energy infrastructure such as solar, wind, and hydro. Recently in June, CleanSpark acquired a fellow mining company, Grid Infrastructure, for 155 million. This move also came with plans to add over 400 MW to its energy capacity through contracts to build new infrastructure in Tennessee, USA. This boost would put CleanSpark's total capacity at over 1 GW of power in 2 years' time. Now, for the leader in this sector, Marathon Digital. Mara is the largest Bitcoin mining stock by market cap at 5 billion. Marathon currently dominates the Bitcoin mining sector with 30 EH per second. That's 50% larger than Core Scientific's hash rate and 75% larger than CleanSpark's. Interestingly, the company was under different names and ventures since its founding in 2010. It started as a venture capital firm, then a mineral mining company in 2011. The company pivoted once more in 2012 as Marathon Patent Group. Its subsidiary, Unilock, faced allegations of patent trolling after suing major software and game developers, including Microsoft and Mojang. Eventually, in 2021, Marathon turned to Bitcoin mining as Marathon Digital Holdings. Marathon recently started mining Caspa, another proof-of-work layer 1 with a focus on scalability. However, they might want to get a handle on the noise complaints
nobody in their right mind would live in this area
from residents living next to their Bitcoin farm in Texas real soon. Well, that's a wrap for this video. Do you own any mining stocks? Well, let us know in the comments below. Also, remember to like this video and subscribe for more Bitcoin related content in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.